The next elements are the style sheet and the shot list. Basically, the style sheet is more of a snapshot of what the film will look and feel like. You pull a bunch of stills from online or stills that you may already have and create kind of a mood board of, what the colors will be, what the mood is, what the tone is. This is an excellent tool that I use to get my team on the same page, and it's another excellent tool that you can use to show your clients what the overall vision is. Because conversely, we have the shot list, which is a much more in-depth breakdown of what the shot types will be, where the shots will be, what the framing will be, what the camera movement will be. It's much more of the language of film that we'll go into detail about. But the style sheet is an incredibly important tool to use so that you know exactly the kind of mood and feeling that you want to create, and your whole team and client, everyone's synced up and ready to create a cohesive look. So I'm gonna leave you guys with downloadable assets to some of my past real projects with clients of the shot list that I used and created and the style sheets that I used and created that I hope you guys will be able to use as a template for your future films.